Mr. Ajuju Isanya. So yesterday, 11:45, I came to the first office to charge food. Then I met with the BCC. They were talking to one soldier. The man was wearing jeans and camouflage, long sleeve and putting sweater. He was discussing about the 40 he involved the other day with task. Little time I was there. When one guy came in, he was wearing white shorts and long sleeve. He came, please, excuse me, sir, I have a complaint. Say, okay, wait. I don't think this way. When I finish with him, then I can attend to you. So he said, no, I'm talking to you, then you are discussing with another person in front of that soldier. So that soldier looked at him and kept quiet. I was still talking with the PCC chairman. I mean, Public Complaint Committee chairman. So they are discussing on this said, can't you hear me? There's altercation there. Two of them, we started saying, you bloody simply, I'm talking to you. Why is he moved? Everybody look, that's what it meant. We don't understand him. He said, please, can you go outside? He went outside, was just shouting. Little time, tell I'm going to show you who I am. And he came with one guy that's wearing bag at his back, a civilian. So when they are going out, then one Mr. Solomon rushed to him, said, please calm down, what's your problem? That's where the man opened up and said, the father of this guy here sent me to help him retrieve some goods there. Kick starter. That's why he calls his friend. The guy was telling him, leave him there. Then two of them went. Then I went back to the office and asked the PC chairman, what is the problem between you and that man that left? He said, this is exactly. Even the army man that was attending to testified to me. He said they are coming back. So I'm not going to go anywhere. As an editor, I stay in the market. Let me stay nearby and watch events. When they're going to come back again to cap the situation. Within 10 minutes, he lost some speed. I said, no. Every place just we are under search. Totally. The other guy was, you bloody Biafrans or what? I don't believe in fucking sentiments. But I know they are useless bizagas. I want to get this in shreds. Someone telling you it's toast, it's rubbish. There's nothing like that because you come to complain. We never even know the reason why you come to the market. This has been the order of the day. A mechanic will come, I hire me outside. How much I'm going to pay you? Somebody will be outside. I say, I'm Major General Yakubu from Abuja. If you don't change engine, I close the market. This threat is too much for us to bear on a daily basis. Then I want to ascertain what prompts you to come with this guy. We have not discussed to know that if you have not certified you. Immediately, I was just begging them. They brought gun and start shooting. I beg. I hold the guy. Please, the casualty will be much. People are too much. This is why people start running and defending themselves and throwing stone. When you are throwing stone, I'm the only person in the buffer zone between the army, Air Force guys, and the traders. The only person. Everybody run. Whenever they run, I just kneeling down. Please go back. When this guy the driver was having gun by his side. Then he shoot. The guy in the most red shorts and white shirts go and grab the gun. I will tell you who shot who. The guy that died here, I know the person that shot him dead. The guy that shot inside, I know the person that shot him dead. So the guy kneeled down. So there's nothing like straight bullets. He's aiming at. Then he knelt down. Wearing white. By the side, if you're entering this gate now, I shot that guy at the stomach, one the buttocks, one the leg.
3 times.
The guy, they carried him up. So when I was helping the soldier, because when they leave the market, immediately I entered that their helos. I helped them to jack it up. Then I brought out the rim that was holding the vehicle. So the guy was reversing. Then I brought out the front chair that was in the front. It was very so wrong. When they are coming out, I run outside Tinubu block and they carried that guy that shot. When I was running, the same young guy is a Fulani guy or Elsa guy. He just ran again. When I was carrying that guy to all the taxi people deserted me. Blood was all over my body. He said, drop that idiot, let me just finish him there. Then he pointed gun at me, direct in my heart. Just like this, that if I move or say anything, that's enough of me. He was going to waste me here and nothing will happen. I said, my son, look at me. Even my last born. I went to NTA 83. I was dropped. By then, your mother had not been born before. Don't take anybody seen here for granted. He said, if I said anything, I said, you're going to shoot me for anything. Then the guy, is the person that collected that rifle from the one wearing white and shot this man here. It's when he finished with me, coming back, then he shot that guy that died. Yeah, immediately. Then he went to the by that time, people around inside their shops. What they did, they go out and mobilize and carry sticks and hitting people's heads, breaking people's heads. I was shouting. I called that yellow one. Say, I begged you. I knelt down and begged you. Please, casualty, leave this market. This is mountain of 2005. Of course, life, man. What you people want. Now, I was so astonished this morning when I read some trash and stupid thing somebody can put up. When we're talking about life.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.